Since 1990, the automotive aftermarket has trusted ICI for premium quality stainless steel trim accessories. ICI automotive trim products are manufactured at our state-of-the-art facilities in Arizona using aircraft-grade stainless steel and premium adhesives. Styled for performance and hand-polished to a brilliant finish far more durable than chrome, ICI accessories add a distinctive appearance to any vehicle. Combining the latest design and production technology, the finest raw materials, and the most rigorous quality standards, ICI products offer industry-leading performance and reliability. ICI accessories are easier to install, shipped complete with the industry's fastest turnaround time, and backed by outstanding customer support. Experience the ICI difference. Call us at 800-626-8746 or visit us online at icionline.com.